现在怎么分享屏幕来着？可不可以？
Hello.
Hello, Engineer Al-Kashaf. Engineer Siddiqui. How are you?
Anjo and Daniel, how are you?
Yeah, Peter is also there.
它是黄色。
Hello, Sabita. Hello, Anjo. Somewhere.
可以吗？你们搞一下啊。
لا لا تي جوز
从那上面能发起。电脑能发起来。哎呀，然后这个投屏。
Engineer Asim was asked for any issue for HVAC and ventilation for vortex and for bowling and the FEC.
उसका साउंड सारा इधर राइट साइड full this problem there is echo getting echo
Sure.
Mr. Siddiqui,
Yes.
can you speak again because there is an echo, there is sound issue there.
What should I do?
Echo, sound issue, sound is less.
From outside?
Yeah, from your side.
Now it's better? Hello?
Yeah, but there is an echo issue.
Okay, I will leave and I will join back, okay?
Sorry, again?
I will join again back.
Okay.
Yes.
Echo sound ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ echo what is echo is like that
Lower. Reproduction. 成功在线谈。对。
Hello?
开信号。
Hello?
Yes, engineer, we can hear you.
这什么意思？看不明白。排音系统的普通口必须装在机位。
Engineer Siddiqui, where we can start, and the bowling or FEC?
It's up to you.
This FEC only this one point there.
For FEC is the issue of the ventilation only, right?
Yeah. So it's better go for bowling.
No.
Okay.
Let me get the confirmation from Ame as well.
So
Ame,
bowling? Yeah.
This is FEC. Actually, this is requirement from our local authority. Can you see this column? No. So both this side of this column, they are going to put one duct for ventilation system. So,
Yeah.
like existing, that size of column is considered like, let's say 900 mm. So they are going to make like more than 2 meters.
More than 2 meters.
Can you please can you explain in detail, engineer, how much it will be like extender and what are the item it will be like hide in the back side of this column?
Yes, engineer Asim will explain to you now.
Hello, engineers. Anything else?
Yeah, because I just received this information before the meeting starts, and I already passed it to our designer. And we need to have an internal discussion first. But we want to understand that for this system, that do we need to put everything in one space, or we can divide them into separate area in the whole space?
Up to it can be anywhere. We need the 20 square meters of louvers can be distributed anywhere. If you have walls, columns, anything. But we checked all the areas. So we found that walls are occupied with banners, with lockers, with everything. So we couldn't find any empty walls, so we can provide some louvers. So that's why we went for the columns, to increase the width of the column.
Okay, I see. And for this, in that case, I need to have a more detailed discussion with team, and we will let you know about this.
We need to expedite the process.
Yeah, I know.
It's not good to delay for Civil Defense Authority to keep the submission stuck in our office, in our system. We need to make it fast.
Okay. And for this question is put forward by our designer. So since that you do not have specific requirement on this, and then I will discuss with my team, and I will let you know no later than tomorrow. Okay.
Okay,
What is your suggestion instead of keeping both the ducts in one column, like you are suggesting to split into 2 columns?
Yeah. 1 second. Let me speak to the designer first. 成功。
可以听到。
问一下，我刚才不是问他吗？就是说他这个是你问他是不是可以集中在一个区域，还是分散在柱子上面？他刚才的意思是说，好像就是周围的墙面啊什么的都被我们用了，他没有地方用，所以他才想用这个柱子。他如果不用这个柱子的话，有其他的地方可以给他用吗？
其实好像也没有。其实我的意思是什么呢？就是因为我看他这个图纸了啊，我刚打开看，他已经这样放了。那如果就是集中在这几根柱子上，因为我们整个场地很大嘛，我的意思是。然后你现在不是集中在这4根柱子上吗？这4根柱子它距离可能又稍微近一点。那如果能满足他们要求，那没关系的呀。我是怕他不满足他的那个要求嘛，就不均匀，不在那个整个体不均匀上。
就是这4个柱子过于集中了，可能不能覆盖其他地方，是吗？是意思吗？
对，我是这个意思，就是看他们消防单位就是有没有要求。如果说只是这个满足20个平方，那没关系的，那可以的。
就是我们可以就是允许他这个在这个柱子上按照他这个要求这样弄，是吧？
目前我看图纸是没什么影响，可能还要小武那边看一下模型有没有影响，因为左边那个柱子是刚好在那个，就是它中间不是有一个凸上去的吗？刚好是在那个边界上，我不知道和里边的那个滑梯会不会有冲突，可能到时候还要小武再合一下。
行，反正你的意思是说，我们可以接受他在这个40个柱子上搞，只要是他能够当地他能过，是吧？
对，是的。
Okay. Hi, Anjo.
Yeah.
The designer means that for these 4 columns that you selected, we are not sure if they are too close to each other. But if they can meet the local authority requirement, we are fine with that. You understand what I mean?
Again, please. Again, please.
I mean, because for the whole FEC, the area is big, right?
Yeah.
And if you only put on these 4 columns, these 4 columns are close to each other.
Yes.
Accepted, no problem, accepted.
Okay, so if it is accepted, then we are fine. We are fine with that. We are just want to make sure that this can be accepted locally.
Yes.
Because we think that these 4 columns are too close to each other, but if the local approve of that, we are fine.
Yes, they approve this.
Okay.
However, this is again why we selected this approach. As I mentioned, we needed 20 square meters. So these 20 square meters, you have to spread it for like 20 meter length of the walls. What we have done here in the column, here for this column, we extended at both sides. Okay?
Oh, both sides, yes.
Yes, for each side, we used 3 directions of the column. Each direction have 1.5 meter height by 0.7 meter width.
Okay.
Which will give for each side about 1 square meter. Now for such a configuration, we have like 6 sides. So this is 6 meters. So instead of like spreading this in the wall up to 6 meter length, so it became like combined within this code. So anyway, it can be on wall, on column, or whatsoever. But since you are confirming now, so we'll proceed with this approach, no problem.
Okay.
Team Alkashaf. Oh, sorry, Team Alkashaf. Just one quick question. Instead of bringing both the ducts in the low level, can we keep on high level, on low level? Like
we submitted twice at high level and both rejected. We tried to resist the comment.
What I'm suggesting, let's keep exhaust in the low level, pressure in the high level, like that.
Sorry, again?
Let's keep extract duct in the low level, pressure in the high level, like that.
It's a smoke. Smoke must be at high level. Makeup must be at low level.
Okay, can we keep like that?
What like that?
One is in the high level, one is in the low level. Did you try that?
The smoke is at high level, free from the open ceiling. And the makeup is ducted this configuration, provided at low level.
Okay, fine.
Okay, this one only just confirm everything. Okay, verbal. Tomorrow we'll confirm everything.
你说。
就是他那个，我看了他那个图，只是把那个管子是离地有点高度嘛，那最后我们肯定会整个用装饰面包起来的，就是我们会做一层那个装饰给它包起来。
然后呢？
就需要让他们知道嘛。
就是说你在它右边这个图，就是我现在鼠标在的这个下面，它不是要做一个什么1.5米高，我记得它上面写的什么1.5米高。
对，1.5米乘700嘛，风口大风口。
对，大风口。但是你如果包起来，它分怎么出啊？
没有，风口的位置我会给它留出来的，其他位置我会就是你其他上面不是有管道吗？我不可能那个管道直接漏着呀。
那丑死了，对啊，你会做，你会在你的施工图上面体现你要把这个地方给包起来是吧？
对的，但最终四面估计这个柱子是那个壁纸的话，可能到时候我跟小五或者陆姐再确认一下，就整个应该就是整个包壁纸了，或者看他们有没有什么其他的想法。对。
OK. Hello, hi Angel. Hello.
Yes.
I just talked with our designer. Yeah, I just talked with our designer. Since that you need to extend it from the columns, right?
Yes.
But final that we will need to cover.
Yes.
To make it nice. Yeah, we will make it nice because it looks ugly if we do not do anything on the column later.
You can cover it from top up to the louver. The louver height is 1.5 meter. So you have 1.5 meter at low level, those cannot be covered. Those will be louver with any color you want. You can color the louvers whatever you like, but it will have gaps in between.
Yeah.
You can't cover it.
So it means that we can cover the top, right?
Yes,
But
all this hatchet, yes, all this hatchet, as you can see in the image, all this hatchet can be covered, yes.
okay. But for the bottom, it need to be leave as it is right now.
Yes, yes,
But we can color it.
Yes, yes.
yes.
Okay, okay, clear.
Whatever the color or all code, what you want, we can do that one.
Okay, okay. 陈工，他意思说上面你可以包，随便你怎么搞，下面不行。下面它是那个什么，类似于百叶窗那种东西。他说
我知道，
可以搞成不一定是白色
是吧？
搞成不同。对。那下面你不能弄，好吧？
明白。
OK。
Okay. So anything from FEC more, Siddiqui? I think no.
Sorry?
还有一个问题哦，它那个风口能抬高一点吗？因为它如果紧贴着地面的话，你像这种区域有小孩儿，会不会给它戳进去，手指头往里戳啥的？
那如果这样的话，你得抬高多少？
离地1米。
就是从地面往上1米啊。
我想这个高度离个像小孩的话，我建议最好离地有点距离吧。你贴着地面的话，怕小孩会踢呀，有些小孩手指头往里戳，往那个风口上戳，也会踢，会容易坏。而且它那个百叶格栅容易坏，最好离地有点距离，1米或者1.2米。
明白。那我问他啊 ，Hello, hi, engineer. Hello.
Yes.
I discussed with our designer just now. We are wondering that if we can raise the louver up a bit, because we are worried that the kids, they will like put their fingers into it. It's not friendly to the kids.
You can provide wire mesh so they prevent the fingers or whatsoever, yeah. But it's safe, no electric devices, yeah. In all cases, you cannot raise it. This is maximum 1.7, so you will have like 20 centimeters gap from the bottom. Then 1.5 meter. This cannot be raised anymore.
Okay, clear.
Because after this, this is the layer of the smoke. After the 1.8 meter, this is the layer of the smoke. So this louver must be below this layer of the smoke.
Okay, must below 1.8 meter. Yeah.
1.8米以下是吗？
不是，他意思是说，它是离地20公分，离地20公分，然后20公分往上是百叶窗，然后是1.5米的，然后再往上就是那个烟道口吧，应该是。
管道。
对，烟道。然后他意思说，这个是他们就是不能改的。他说，如果怕小朋友手指那个，他说可以装那个什么类似于铁丝网什么的。他说整个下口是没有电也没有什么的。
行啊，
Before he was saying lower.
Ami, we'll do one thing. We'll ask Alkashaf team to submit one details drawing regarding this louvers.
Okay.
Including that what is the distance from FFL and what it will be that louver and all. We'll ask our design team to submit one details drawing for your reference.
Like installation detail, typical detail.
Typical detail for what?
Installation detail.
Lower
installation detail.
Lower installation. You mean the floor?
Yeah, from floor, how it will be. We'll submit on details drawing for this.
Okay.
We shared with you what we have submitted to the civil defense. If you have it, so there is a section in it.
Can you please open so that we can conclude now? Can you please share your screen?
Okay,
Let me open the project.
yeah, stop sharing from your side.
OK。他开他的图，我不知道他说的是谁。我以为他说的是地面。
So those is yellow parts. So and those are the drops. Okay, taking a section, it will look like this. So this is the duct drop, and it will be covered by gypsum board that you can color it up to here. And those are the louvers at the low level. It will be such like this. Here, because of there are some other services, so we couldn't rotate and provide it here and there, so we provided this and this. But if the site allows this direction, whatever the direction you like, it doesn't matter. So this is a submission. I believe the section is clear, so it can give the idea how it is.
成功，你看得到吧？
我可以看到。
So
他这个图就刚才你发的那个。
Forget this side. If let's say delete delete. So it will look like this. So from the three directions, it will look like this. Then above this, it can be colored anything, and this also this red one, you can color it whatever, but it have these gaps in between.
他这个意思是不是他把那个地面给抬平了？
他的我不知道是啥意思。
你看它是14.5哎，那它地面
哦，有个问题啊，它整个的那个离地高度还能调吗？我看它最低点只有6.6米啊。我当时画图按的
6.6米啊，还6点，
就它不是有两个立面吗？先左边那个立面最低点是6.6米，我们当时画图按的7.5米算的。它上面没写，我刚才自己量了一下，截个图给你。
哦，你截个图我看看。
5 days now, not sufficient to understand. Okay.
这跟它的场地图有区别吗？
Enter in. The elevator will start now today. Home service.
跟场地图没什么关系，只是那个。
你截图啦？
稍等，我这个还没标好，我标一下。很小，切给你。6745。 啊，不是670，那边还有一个最低的。哎呀，
哎，它当时地面不是进门以后它就是低点嘛，低完了以后那个它这个你能看到它涨停了吗？
什么？
不是它从它的门进来以后，它的里面不是比外面要低嘛？
对呀、但它不找平吗？
不是这个我刚才给你发的这个图，它找平了吗？我想知道。
我量一下啊，我看它这个地面反正画的挺高，我看一下。
嗯，
哦，它找平了，它找平了300。
它找平了，等于说它把里面跟里外交平了。
对，它找平了300。
哦，它找平对我们有好处吗？
找平对我们怎么讲就无所谓，其实我感觉。
不是，它找平了，完了以后它只有6.7米嘞，它不找平的话应该有7米，是这意思吧？
是的，找平了300嘛，我发给你了。
对，你让我问他什么？
而它的整个的这个设备可以再抬高一点吗？
就是它上面这些风管是吧？
对，
抬多少？
因为我看一下啊，我还没有合我们设备的高度。但我看下来的话，可能我们那个滑梯就是中央区域那个滑梯啊，会受影响。
啊，就是因为它在这个柱子上面搞这个东西是吧？
不是这个，是它整个的这个设备就做的比较低。
那我问一下 ，Hello，
Hi,
Angel，
yes, sir.
because I download the drawings that you
Yeah,
submit to.
today morning you asked me, no, this is okay, no, this is the one. This drawing, the detail is there. In that drawing, the section detail is there.
Yes, and because our designer has not checked all parts, and we only focused on the column sides. You see that you have the ducts and the pipes, and this is only 6.7 meter, and another one is 6.6 meter. We are wondering that if the height can be raised up a bit, because we are worried that it will affect the central slides area. You see that? This distance.
Height cannot be raised.
Height cannot be raised.
Again, as we mentioned, it must be below the smoke area. So this is the maximum height we can reach.
So it means that we need to focus on what we have now. The drawing shows
The only choice you have that you can locate those louvers anywhere inside the area, anywhere, wall, column, any area. But in all cases, must be low level.
Okay, okay, so clear. And the designer need to check if it will affect the play equipment. 成功。他意思是说这些高度，因为就是那个什么烟口的那个高度，他说不能提高。他说他这个东西放在这个位置，是他觉得他应该放在这4根柱子这边，对我们影响最小。
不是说只是这4个柱子啊，还有其他的地方。我截个图，你稍等。
你确定有影响的地方到底在哪？你对我们设备有影响的，你就截那个就行了。
对，我就给你截个这个。因为我没合，我还没来得及合啊，只是 第一眼看过去，就我们中间抬高的那个叫什么不锈钢滑梯，这个高度肯定有问题的。
这个高度啊？
对。
哎，你说的是他就画这个蓝色的地方是吗？
看一下啊，是它那个粉红色的，它那个粉色的是它最低的那个管儿，是6.6的。
As you can see, this is smoke layer, okay? So
Then they
this
said
will be 1.8. This makeup must be at low level. It cannot be higher. It cannot be high level. It must be low level, okay? Because we have a smoke fan at this area, and the makeup at low level. It must be at this.
他说什么排烟系统啊，就是有个矮的什么鬼啊
So just please follow the
我
height.
感觉他们理解的可能有点问题啊。我们现在说的不是他那个几个风口的问题，是他整个天花上那些设备的离地高度，我需要他再往上抬，就最少离地7.5米，看他们能不能控制到这个高度。因为他现在的话就是刚才给你发的那个就6点多7点多嘛。
你说的不是他那个4个柱子的那个地方是吧？
对，我现在说的是整个场地的所有的设备。
Okay. Hi, engineer.
Yes.
Our designer actually does not refer to the louvers location. He refers to the whole area, the whole ceiling equipment that you now put. We find some are much lower. We are wondering, because we have not fully checked. After the meeting, the designer will fully check which parts is affect a lot. But we want to let you know that, you see, this is the latest drawing that we received today.
Okay, so you will check and get to us back by the locations of the final locations. When we can expect this? Can we finalize this by today so we can receive this info by end of today?
Let me check with him. 成功。他问你，今天能看完吗？就是有影响的，或者你就告诉他你要抬高到多少
？7.5米，所有的
7.5米，它中间那个不行怎么办？它中间那个
中间还得再往上抬，那个设备我还不知道多高呢。那个设备，哎呦，要问一下小五那个滑梯，不锈钢滑梯它是高度多少？但其他的这个最高的台那边，其他的这些设备最少要到7.5米。
就是我们的设备要求要有7.5米高，是吧？
对。
Okay. Because our equipment, we need clear height, 7.5 meter high. So all the ducts and the pipes that above that should be higher than this. Can this be done?
All the ducts already at the ceiling level, at high level, except these drops and the lower at low level.
Yes, we will not talk. 成功。你的那个什么百叶窗，他就要装的那个什么百叶窗那玩意儿也得往上抬吗？但是那个他已经说不能抬。
那个可以不抬，那个可以不抬。
那个可以不抬，但是其他的地方是吧？
对，我举个例子啊。就现在先不说那个不锈钢滑梯那个，因为那个设备高度我不知道，可能要问一下小五。像那个攀爬架那边不是攀爬架去了，那个攀岩那边，当然这个我们设备可以去降低，但是我们前面和那个小五说的按的高度是按7.5米去做的。我现在就是希望他们把这个就是天花式的这些排烟啊、空调啊，所有的管道尽可能压的那个离地高一点。
但是他刚才在上面说了，他说所有的管道已经是安装在天花最高的地方了，除了刚才说的那些低点位置完了以后，也就是说它只能装在那个高度。
那我们就只能降设备的高度了呀。
那行，那我知道了。Hello, engineer.
Hello. Yes.
So it means that all the pipes, all the ducts that you put on the joint is already at the highest level on the ceiling, right? So it means that you cannot raise it.
We cannot what?
You cannot raise the height. So it can only be at that height.
Yes, and please check again the sections shared with you. I believe the mall team shared with you the sections today. Please showing the sections. So again, let me share this again.
Okay, so actually we want to check if you cannot raise the height, it means that we need to
Please just check the sections that we shared with you. So here, as you can see, all the ducts at high level, okay? At high level, except we have these drops. So all are really at high levels here.
Okay.
Drops. So all these drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other than this, everything else already at high level. All this.
就是我们今天检查一下再给他咯，是这意思吗？
对，他的意思就是说，你从他的剖面图，就他现在左下角的这个图看出来，他其实已经把这些东西安装在最高点的位置了，也就是它动不了。他就是跟你说，除了这个之外，你再看他说的装那个百叶窗的那一些矮的那些地方，所以我们只能根据这个来，只能他的这个剖面图高度来。
行啊。那我今天你看一下啊，我今天把它这个整个高度再核一遍吧，和我们的设备。有问题的话呢，就是我们能调设备的，我们就降低设备；降低不了设备的话，我们再沟通了。
哦，好的，那我知道了。
就中间挑空的那个位置，肯定它这个不行的，它要往上去折高的，往上反。
哪个中间挑空的
？FEC 中间不是有一块上去的吗？
对，有块上去的，但是它你看一下它这个剖面图，它这剖面图含了那个挑空的吗？
它这个我看它这个设备应该就是横平，就是平着过去的。平着过去的话，它这个高度就有问题。这个我们先核一下吧，我先核清楚，因为我现在只是大概看了一眼。
OK，
核清楚，我们再给他开个会议，或者你给他发邮件。
OK， 可以。Hi, Anjo.
Yeah, I mean, if this is so critical columns, you can move some area. You can propose any other area somewhere near the wall, which is like not affecting you. Like around 1 meter. Consider like 1 meter. We need a space to install the duct. Only the dropping, huh? Only the dropping.
Yeah, only the dropping. Actually, the designer does not refer to the dropping. He referred to the other height. The other height seems there is something that is much lower than before. So he needs to double check all the joints that we received today, and then we will come back.
Okay.
So we have all the bottom of the duct type, no, from Alcastar.
Bottom duct, yes.
Team also, your
that we have to discuss again.
See.
From that we will discuss. We'll check.
This is your interior, okay? For example, we assume that some of the columns we will make drops beside this column, so we extend the column. Let's say that you have another idea. It can be at any of these walls. You can make like double wall, for example, if you prefer somewhere here. So this wall can be like shifted and create a cavity behind the wall. So we will have some louvers at low level also, at 1.5 meter height. So for example, this can be some louvers located here, some louvers located here, some louvers on other wall, some louvers from the column, wherever. We need 20 square meters anywhere. So either the wall to be like double wall with cavity behind, or the column to be extended at creating like a fake column for the drops.
Okay, okay, clear.
That's a good idea. Actually, in the boundary of the project, in the wall area, we have some columns.
Instead of
But none of them is free like this. I checked the 3D carefully. So I found everywhere, any column, we cannot use it. It has something, every wall, it has something also. That's why, so all these columns, even in congested area, that's why we selected this column that we have selected. Not every wall, not every column we can provide such a draw. So it is congested area everywhere.
Okay.
So that's why we selected the locations. It was like here and here, here. This is what we found that we can like extend the columns. In the other areas in between, so I thought that this might like block the area. But anyway, and anywhere, wall, column, anything, louvers can be created, no problem. But as we checked, we couldn't find anything more suitable than this. But if your designer will check, no problem. Wall will be double wall, cavity behind, part of the wall, all the wall, part of the columns, anywhere. So please check this and expedite and try to push him so he can provide his feedback by today or maximum tomorrow. Because now we are far behind the civil defense comments and complaints.
Okay, clear.
Okay.
Also, engineer, can we, okay, if FEC is done, we can go to the bowling, which is more critical now.
Here, Engineer Sidqi was discussing with me about some
This one, I
requirements
think
to
we can discuss internally after the meeting because we don't want the designer now for
That's what the designer.
Right, for Vortex,
bowling. The screen, the load, cooling load, and
yeah, we just need from your side. So this is a screen. Okay. What we asked it, because we found that the detail here in the receive detail there is more gap than this. So we asked it, where is the source of the heat? Is it inside this cavity wall? So we'll provide AC here, or the full screen is outside the wall. So we'll focus our AC is here. It is this simple question. Other than this, we have screens everywhere, and we are currently working on this and providing where located. And based on the received data, we found next to the stage at this area, here's a big part, and the bowling area here, screen also, and this is the biggest one. So this is the biggest problem. So we are working on this now, and currently, we are providing outside the wall because currently the wall has no gap. So if your installation has any details that part of the screen already embedded inside the wall, so we must extend the ducts to be inside.
Yeah, I believe that, yes.
So any idea?
I believe that we provide a drawing about the screen that our designer make. So have you checked that?
Yes, the drawing showing no dimension, and it doesn't show sectional detail, whether the screen inside or not. And if he is a designer, if he can answer this question now, is it part of the screen embedded inside the wall or not? Or all the full body of the screen is outside the wall? This is the question.
成功。你上次说的是下面是嵌进去的，上面是凸出来的，是吗？屏幕
啊，
宝林的屏幕。
宝林的屏幕是那个大屏对吧？
对，他也就是他没看得懂上次你画的那个图，他现在问我，他说你是整个屏幕都是在墙外面的，还是说你一部分嵌进去的？
是和墙齐平的，嵌进去的。
就是你要整个从上到下都嵌进去是吗？
对的，但是它下面那个电视是挂在外边的啊。
只是屏幕嘛，那个就是那个 TV 是挂在外面的嘛。
对对 ，TV 是挂在外面，上面的那个大屏幕是嵌在里面。
It is this question.
我看他画的这个好像是那个 TV 啊。
So the top rectangle, part of it inside the wall. This one, the whole screen is outside the wall. So our case is the top one or the bottom one?
The curved screen is embedded in the wall, but the bottom there are some TVs that is on the surface of the wall. 要开图了，看你上次你给他的图就是表明那个弧形的屏幕是嵌在那个墙里面的是吗？
对的对的。
哦。
因为一直在问那个屏，我就没有表示那个电视 TV。
我在开什么？他不开，我来开。我来开一下上次你给我的那个图。Let me open the drawings that I shared the last time.
Okay.
我说，哎，我打开那个 PDF 还是那个 CAD 啊？
都行，都可以。
1 second, let me share the 3D.
Oh, you share the 3D, okay.
Yes, I'll share it.
其实我也没看懂你这个图。
你也没看懂啊，回头给你讲一讲。
你给我讲，我没看懂。
Yes, this big one, okay? This is the screen. Forget this small TV. We are not talking about this small TV. Anywhere, it doesn't matter. This big screen.
Yes.
Part of it inside the wall or not?
Inside the wall 是在墙里面吧？
对的。
Inside the wall.
Okay, inside the wall. What is the width of this wall?
这个墙的宽度多少？
宽度我来看一下，应该是200。
One second.
Because you see here, this is the wall.
Okay.
This is small wall, okay?
Yes.
This wall is not matching to the drawing received from your side. This is very thin wall.
Okay, 1 second. Let me check. 他说这个墙太薄了，说看上去很薄。
200基本上够了呀，因为我还要做那个圈梁的，差不多的。因为我的那个屏啊，不是靠那个墙承重的，我的屏是在后面整个焊了个钢架承重的，不是靠那个墙承重的。
那你的钢架在哪里啊？
钢架后面不是画了吗？要不我来开个图，但我不会投屏啊。
不是，你的墙是200，对不对？那你的钢架是在墙这厚度200是在外面吗？
我打开图跟你讲一下，在里边，我应该标了呀。
我看了，我来那个吧。
你来打开。
我来工厂吧。这个是上次你的图。
啊，你开的啥呀？
是不是这个吗？这不你给我的吗？
啊，对。
什么意思啊？
你看前面那个最右边我不是写的那个 LED 屏吗？
对。
因为这个很长啊，这个是 LED 屏，然后右侧就是那个是观看的位置。我先给你说一下方向。对，左边是那个就是厨房上面。
左边是厨房的上面。
对你再往下，你再往下一点点，往下。因为这个比较长。你看到那个方块了吗？填充的那个黑色的，有混凝土线胶梁。这个就是整个厨房的那个弧形的墙体。
这个就是弧形墙体，然后呢？
是的，然后弧形的那个方块左上角是不是有个小方块？
这个。
对，然后包括整个往上面走，这是它那个 LED 屏的那个钢架。我这不是写了吗？镀锌方钢80那个80乘80乘5，看到了吗？
那你是在这个墙的后面是吗？你的墙在哪里了？
墙在它下边呀。
墙在它下面。
我的天啊！你这不是看到这个混凝土线胶梁了吗？这个混凝土线胶梁往下都是那个墙体。
你这个是顶式还是什么式啊？我没懂。
这是个剖面呀。
剖面。
对，现在你这个 LED 屏是在这个墙上面的。
LED 屏，那你这个 LED 屏，这从这到这里是 LED 屏是吗？
对的。
然后这个后面是钢架。
是的。
然后这个是墙。
对。它是
等一下，
竖着的啊，你不要看成横的。
这里就我鼠标的这里是屏幕。
对的。
这里是钢架。
是的。
这里是墙。
啊，对。
承重就是说你的屏幕是依附于这个钢架的。
对的。
不是依附于它的墙体的。
对的。
那我给他解释一下。Hello, engineer.
Hello, yes.
And this is the cross-section drawing that we present to you last time. So let me explain to you, because it's very long. From the top to the bottom, it's very long. You see, where my mouse goes, from here to here, it refers to the screen, the curved screen.
Okay.
And from here, this line to this line, this thickness refers to the steel frame that we mentioned that it is steel frame, square steel frame.
Which one?
So it means that the screen is, the weight is not on the wall. The weight is on the weight of the screen is on the back, the steel frame.
Where is the wall? Where is the wall that the screen supported to this wall? Where is the wall?
Wall is here, the beam.
So this means there is no wall for the screen. There is no wall behind the screen.
There. Okay. Oh, you are confused with this, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. 成功，他意思就是说，他想问你这个屏幕的后面是没有墙的，是吗？
对的，没有墙。
那你的墙是在哪里？他也是跟我一样，他没看懂。
墙在屏幕下边呀，就是墙是半高的，没有到顶。
哎呦妈呀，那我懂了，他以为我好像知道了。你下面的墙有多高啊？一直到你电视机那个高度是吗？
墙差不多3米吧，3米多。
也就是说，你的屏幕是坐在你的墙上面的。
哎，是的，对的。
我可以这么理解吗？
对。
那我知道了，他一直是迷惑你这个墙，你这个屏幕后面有没有墙？我一个其实说你的墙是从地面起到3米高就没有墙了，然后你把你的屏幕坐在了这个墙的顶上，然后在这个墙的这个屏幕的后面再做了一层钢架，是意思吧？
哎，是，对，理解的很到位。
Hello, engineer.
Hello, yes.
Yeah, let me explain to you. For the wall, there is no wall behind the screen. The wall is only 3 meters high from the floor to the top. And then the screen, you can regard it. The screen sits on top of the wall. And behind the screen, there is a steel frame. Understand?
Yeah, so this means that this screen, what's behind this screen is the void of the kitchen.
Is a void. 他想问你，那也就是意味着这个屏幕的后面是厨房的中空的位置，是吗？
对对对，
Yeah, correct. Your understanding is correct. It
我那
is
个
the
图上
void
不是
of
写
the
了个厨房天花吗？
Okay, so it's inside the kitchen. And the
Yeah.
maintenance access, as you in the drawing, if you made slide zoom in, it is maintenance catwalk.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
this-
correct.
Yeah, so this maintenance catwalk, it is inside the kitchen. So there is
Sorry?
there is no separation wall between this maintenance catwalk and the screen. It's all open void within the kitchen itself. So this means the full heat of the screen is inside the kitchen.
One second. 他意思说，那所以你才把这，也就是说，对他来说，你这个检修的这个地方就在厨房里面，是吗？
是的，
所以你的散热就会归为厨房。
归为厨房。
对，能这么理解吗？所以整个热量都在厨房里面，屏幕的整个热量都在厨房里面。
可以这么理解，可以这么理解
你不。是散热散到厨房了吗？你后面不是空的吗？对不对？
对的。
也就是说，在你的检修码道和屏幕之间没有另外一个隔离的墙了，你后面就没有墙，你就是中空了。
对的，对的，对的，是的。
Okay. Hi, engineer. You
但是它
understand?
厨房是有天花的哦，是在天花上面的，不是在厨房下面的。
你说那个检修码道是吧？
对，你包括它的热量也是在天花里面的。
OK，就是在天花，就是假天花嘛，对吧？上面就像家里面。
对，假天花，是的。
Hi, engineer.
Hello, yes.
Yes, your understanding is correct. But
Okay.
there is false ceiling in your kitchen, so it
Yes,
means that
yes.
all the heat is above the false ceiling.
Yes.
Yeah.
خلاص, clear.
خلاص.
Clear. خلاص.
It's not Faraday, right? Avkash, it's not Faraday wall, right? In between kitchen and this bowling. Avkash,
بالبارتيشن مثلا.
بس هي كده من الاول يعني في حاجه اتغيرت في الحيطه. Yes.
it's not Faraday wall, right? In between this kitchen and bowling.
No.
Then okay, clear.
هو الكهرباء بالحبس. Okay, this is for the bowling. Anything else?
哎，我看他那个图纸上，在厨房的那个墙上有两个那个风口呀，还是什么口？排烟口啊？
在哪里啊？你截图了吗？
就他刚才那个图纸。
你截我看看。
我截给你啊。
Kashaf engineer, anything you have?
我问他
No,
是，
it's
让我
clear
问
for
他
us.
你让我问他是什么是吧？
对，一个是这个风口的大小，一个是那个高度，就离地高度是在哪边？这个装屏上呀。
Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
We will have one more question here. You can see my join.
Yes.
Okay. We just check the joins that you sent. What are these two? It is on the screen. Here and this one and this one.
It's wall opening for air movement, for air balance.
For air balance, what's the height of this one? Opening.
At highest level.
Highest level. Because you see that
No
the
problem. We will shift it from the curved wall to the other wall of the kitchen. No problem. خلاص, we'll cancel it.
Oh, you will cancel it, right?
Yeah, okay.
Oh, okay. 他们会取消的，因为你的墙不是顶天的，他以为你的墙到顶了。你墙到哎，太难了。So, do you have more questions about the FEC and the bowling?
FFT, anything? Siddiqui, anything more? Anything more regarding any cooling load or anything?
No, it's clear. And since the screens are open to the kitchen, so we'll make our kitchen is ducted, so to protect the screen from any grease emitted to the kitchen. That's our design for this.
انت اسمه ايه ده مش كنت في مشكله في اللود وقلت له اللود التبريد هيبقى زياده قوي والاستيمال يروح ده 15%. قول الكلام ده برضه.
This is, I believe this is clear, Andrew. The additional load, so we are utilizing one additional AHU from the existing.
Yeah, that we can do. One existing, and also meanwhile I have to discuss with you something more. And this behind the screen, you are planning to put any plenum or any box or something, or just to keep it as upon?
Behind the screen, it's already open. We have like 3 meters void above the full ceiling of the kitchen.
Yeah, so you will
where they placed the catwalk for the maintenance of the screen. So we'll focus the AC from the heat emission from the screen in the void of the kitchen. Currently, the void of the kitchen is free return, so we'll cancel this and we will make all ducted return to
yes, exactly.
So this is our modification in this area. Then the rest of the screens, we are increasing the load overall the area as per the received data sheets.
Okay, so it will not affect like a hood, no hood issue, nothing will happen, huh? Because hood will be hot also, nothing will happen.
No problem at all, no. Above the ceiling, all the ducts are insulated with very thick thickness for insulation. Fully protective, so nothing at all.
Because I just want to ask you, because when as per the drawing, this fresh air giving to the hood is non-treated and extract also there. So I just want to double check only.
This is a good note. Who will mention that this to be insulated. It is non-treated, so its impact is below the full ceiling.
Insulation, no problem. It's okay, fine. Insulation, maybe rock wall insulation or something we can give.
Yeah, because now we will provide supply air, which is colder than the return air, so it's better to insulate this. We'll mention this also.
So nothing more from Ami, right?
No, it's clear for us. Thank you.
Ami, there were any ELV points you required for that one? Access control.
I only have the last one. Yeah, because we see from the drawing, it seems that you make the floor. Because previously the inside the space is lower than the outside, right? Now it is the same level.
Which one you mean? Which one?
Both FEC and the bowling. If you remember that.
Yeah. Actually, our as per current condition, the below side is like a 30 centimeter below than the outer side.
Yeah. But for the joint, it seems that this 30 centimeter is already flushed with outside. Yeah. So inside and outside are the same height.
This is what we are expecting. Yes.
Okay, so it means that you will do the you will make sure that the side flooring it has same height with outside.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Anjo, for HU.
Okay.
This is الأول.
One minute, huh?
Okay.
Actually, corridor. Okay. Outdoor corridor. And inside is like around 30 centimeters, 300 different system. You have to feel it actually. Correct. नहीं तो उसको बोले तो वो स्लोप बना के ये इस लेवल में डालो. He told me like that. Yeah, it's okay, Ami. We will fill that.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay, so our designer will check the joints, and then if anything that we need to double check, and I will let you know.
And also just want to double check from your side, you need any more points, especially ELV points. I mean, any access or any small, I mean, ELV points. And I don't want to be joined as we did in other project. If you want anything in the floor side or some other side, we can pull and we can put it as an outlet.
Okay.
Even 24 volt, even whatever.
Okay, 24 volt. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ami. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Yeah. Bye.
Okay, bye.成功你在吧？
Bye bye.
我在，我还没走，我等着你。
Yeah, I am here, Anjo. I will not leave. I know.
Okay, Ami.
我们 OK，
Okay, bye.
拜拜。
Bye bye.
那我先关了吧，关了我找你打钉钉。
好。
Yes. Hello.
Yeah, Engineer Hassan just went to bathroom just 2 minutes. Come back.
$80 plus 1.2 88 plus 3 lakhs 91 plus 4 lakhs 95 plus 2 lakhs 97 lakhs. Yes. लोन कितना मिल जाएगा यहाँ पे? How much loan do we get? मिलेंगे 20% salary into 20% 20 months का salary मिलेगा. Basic or for no total salary. 20 months का interest rate 5.8 6 के निकलता है. क्या क्यों देना चाहिए? India ऐसे लेके भाग जाएगा. You are buying India. I'm buying my passport citizenship in Malaysia. Take money from him. India get us back. From the rent of Malaysia. Before they used to leave. Nowadays. Anjo can visit again. No, before not. They used to.
Hello?
Yes, engineer.
Yeah.
You can start.
Yeah, we can start.
You can start.
For the issue of the issue,
So bowling, you are planning to take one more AHU, right?
For bowling, yes.
Yes. Okay. Just want to clarify one thing. Actually, to be frank with you, because we are using this inventory IHUs, no? In the written plenum, entering temperature, no? Maybe you notice in the schedule it is 25 to 26 degree.
Mhm.
hello?
Is it possible to achieve that one
Yes.
in the written? Because you are
Parameters
taking
plus.
my worry, you are taking the maybe 14 to 15% fresh air from outside. So the peak time, okay, 25, 26, no, even normal condition, even treated fresh air, I think very hard to achieve. As per my experience, you discuss maybe. You did.
I cannot hear you. You have surrounding voices.
Hello?
You have surrounding voices. I cannot hear.
Really? Sorry, we are in one office. Okay, now it's clear.
Yes.
Okay, look, this entering return temperature, as I mentioned before, 25 to 26 degree, and our fresh air is non-treated fresh air, like a 15% from outside.
Yes.
As per the drawing and schedule.
Yes.
Just I want to make sure in the mixing plenum we will achieve this one 26 degree, because even treated fresh air also very hard to get to the return with that temperature.
No, the return, so usually the return is like 22. And because of this mixing with 10 or 15%, I believe that each use it was about 10%, 12, something like this. So
Yeah.
from this percentage of mixing, because this untreated at 46, so it raised from the return, normal return 22, it mixed with 10% as 46. So the entering to the coil, it becomes like 26.
Yeah, means return we can achieve 22, 23, because normally we will get like that because it's a long run into the roof area.
No, the long run, it doesn't matter since all the ducts are insulated. The maximum we are talking about 1% heat loss, and this is not even considered yet.
Okay, this is okay. Just I want to double check only because
plus when we are utilizing the existing HUs, because the airflow rates mismatch, etc. So we are using extra. So this extra, it will cover any shortage from any other parameter.
Okay, fine. And okay, there is no issue with the humidity will be there?
Where?
In the fresh air, I think very less percentage it will be okay, right?
Yeah, you have 100% total fresh air and no problem in the humidity. So this is all treated inside the HU itself.
Okay, for the FEC, actually we have seen your design. It's around like a 45 FCUs you added there. We actually, as per our mail, we are planning to put the same inventory IHUs. There are 3 dedicated IHUs there.
Same like bowling.
Same like bowling.
You're supposed to use existing.
For this, so you are asking from us to change the design, correct?
Yeah, we are planning to use it.
My question, no problem. My just questions, as per the list we received before, it was 3 units. Okay, this will not be sufficient. So my questions, we didn't utilize the existing 5 units for the bowling area. So if we have 1 unit remaining, we can utilize it for FEC or not?
No, we cannot use it. It's other area. We cannot take that shift the unit. It will be problem. So better we can use this 3.
They will not be sufficient.
No, actually, what is the problem? The units are available, but it is in the other side of the mall. We cannot bring it in the other side because there is a skylight in between.
But imagine if a new HU by the tenant procured, how this will be installed on the roof?
Same like this existing three, we are going to insert, just we have to add one foundation.
No, and now you are relocating few meters away, but assuming that there are new AHU coming from outside, how this will be installed?
We have to shift from ground floor.
Yeah, so it will be also by lift crane or whatsoever. So is it so difficult to shift one unit from this area to the other?
Bring it down. In the worst case, no, we have to bring that existing unit in the ground floor. From there, we have to shift from this side.
I believe initially the 3 units will cover 70 or 80% of the current load. So this difference of 20%, we need to compensate it by either fan coil units or another AHU on roof. So which you prefer?
No, fuse means we have to bring the pipeline again down. So we will add one IHO.
What is the total load record for this FEC?
I don't remember the numbers, but this was the initial check when I checked.
Okay, we'll discuss internally and we'll get back to you regarding this.
And also ERU you added there, right?
Yeah, so we'll cancel it and we'll utilize one of the existing HUs. So now the plan, we utilize currently ERU and FAHU. We will cancel these two plus the fan coil units and we will utilize the 3 plus whatever additional load required.
Okay, engineer, if you're going to use 4 existing AHUs, can you take fresher like the bowling?
It will be, yes, you have your existing units already having a proper percentage of fresh air. So we'll utilize this. So that's why there will be no need for the FAHU and also the ARU, khalas, we'll keep the space positive. So whatever available in the current AHUs, it will be sufficient for us.
No, you didn't get my point. If you are using existing 4 AHUs, no, like bowling, we are taking directly from outside. Like that, can you plan for FEC also instead of taking from FAHU?
This is what I'm telling. We will cancel the FAHU because we have fresh air from the units by the mall.
No, that can be avoided. This is what I'm asking.
What do you mean avoid?
For bowling, no, directly you are taking from outside.
How from outside? What do you mean by outside?
Like 80% return, 20% fresher from outside.
Exactly. And in the available 3 units for FEC, they have the same percentage also. So we'll do the same.
Okay.
And since we will have this 10, 15 or 20% of fresh air from these AHUs, there will be no need for the FAHU. We will cancel it.
Okay, clear. Now maybe we'll go with this 3 AHUs. In addition, are we going to use existing AHUs or new AHU or this shortage, are we filling with FCU? That will get back to you.
Okay. The second question, in that case, when we will utilize existing 3 units, so we'll propose openings. And I believe no problem in this. We have to propose new openings for each unit. Okay?
Okay, clear.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Fan, they would concern you only.
That we have to return the mail. We have to reply as a mail.
This also will confirm. Can you disconnect?